where no banking facility is available will come to a stop and stand still. And the rural people and the lower middle class people will be very much affected. Stop now. They have stated the reason why it is an unjustified move and what is the magnitude of the problem. Stop. There are certain implications on vital sectors. Stop the move will be an obstruction to informal credit structure. Stop. It will be a death blow to distributive trade. Stop. It will have a detrimental effect on rural sector. Stop. Then it has been mentioned that it will have a crippling impact on indigenous banking. Stop. It will aggravate unemployment. Stop. There are certain drastic penal provisions about which also they have stated. Stop. They have mentioned about the erosion of moral values also. Well, sir, we may keep it aside. We all should be very much concerned with the moral values also. Stop now. It has a far reaching impact. Stop. They have stated all this in their memorandum. Stop. I would only like to highlight one or two main points. Stop. It has to be realized that the informal credit structure comprising of trade, business, commission, agents, and indigenous bankers has been rendering valuable services since times immemorial to various sectors of the society and more particularly in rural and semi-urban areas. Stop. What is more, they occupied a place of pride due to personalized service to both clients and depositors, coupled with high efficiency and prompt service at low overhead cost. Stop. Even though greater percentage of information credit structure is unsecured biz a biz. The bank credit which is mostly secured, the default is very low. Stop. Despite substantial expansion of bank branches not only of the nationalized banks but also the national rural banks and the cooperative banks, the informal credit market continues to serve the increasing needs of the internal trade industry and commerce of the country, which highlight its viability and indispensability. Even in developed countries like USA, informal and non-banking commercial credit markets operate without being subjected to close customary and legal regulation characteristic of commercial banking and its variants. Stop. In such circumstances, instead of destroying such informal credit structure, it would be quite useful to revitalize and reinvigorate it. Stop. Para. I am grateful to the Board of Governors, Director and members of the staff of this Institute of Technology for having invited me to perform the opening ceremony of the building of the institute this evening. Stop. Being a teacher myself, it is always an encouraging and stimulating experience for me to meet young men and women, students and teachers who are engaged in the exciting pursuit of knowledge and discovery. Stop. It makes me feel happier and younger. Stop. I shall always carry with me the fragrant memory of the pleasant time I have spent in your midst this evening. Stop. I have been impressed by the considerable thought and hard work that has gone into the design and construction of this building, which I have had the pleasure to inaugurate. Stop. It had beauty without pomp and show and is eminently functional. Stop. It is designed to meet all the present requirements of the institute and also to provide for further expansion without upsetting the general pattern. Its cost has been kept significantly low and the speed and efficiency with which it has been constructed deserve admiration. Stop. I was also happy to learn that most of the execution has been done departmentally without any contractors. Stop. In the present position of our resources, we cannot spend heavily on buildings, much less on middlemen's profits or ornamental features which have little educational significance. Stop. I therefore welcome the emphasis laid in the planning and construction of this building on functional utility, simplicity, and economy. Stop. I wish we could carry this emphasis still further in all our future constructions. Stop. The development of modern industry has been one of our significant achievements in the post independence period. Stop. We have started several new industries. Stop.